Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this beautiful tropical eye look right here. And yeah, let's just get right into it. Alright, so starting off with the shade Skip, I'm just going to be applying that all over my crease, making sure I'm taking patting motions just to make sure that the pigmentation is there. Alright, now I'm just going to be taking 518 and I'm just going to be applying that on top just to help it blend out, get a little smoky kind of effect. And yeah. So now I'm just going to be taking B and I'm going to be applying that on top of the 518 just so we can have a gradient effect. And this right here is the process. I'm going back in with 518, making sure I'm blending everything to where you can see the transition shade coming like from yellow, orange, and pink, and making sure you don't leave out any of those colors because we do want all three of them to show. Alright, so now I'm just going to be taking the shade Ring Light and I'm going to be applying that in my inner corner and just taking the same brush I put B on to blend it out. So now here we're just going to be cutting the crease, but we're going to be doing like a little circle kind of effect, a little smaller than my regular crease size that I cut it. It's just because I really want that pink to show, and if I do it the way I normally do, I'd be taking off most of it. So that's why we're gonna be doing like a little baby circle kind of like cut crease today. So now we're just gonna be panning out the concealer. I always say this, it's just to make sure the shade you're gonna put on top is nice and flat and smooth. So now I'm just going to be going in with B and I'm going to be applying that all over my lid. Alright, now I'm just going to be taking my NYX black liner and I'm just going to be tight lining my lashes. Just making sure I do this before I apply the glitter because it will be really hard once you have glitter on top. Alright, now I'm just going to be taking my glitter glue and I'm just going to be taking these two glitters and mixing them together so I can have the perfect color I want. And yeah, I'm just going to be applying the glitter on top. Alright, now I'm just going to be taking this chunky glitter to make it reflect a little bit more. And I'm going to be taking my duo glue and I'm going to just be working in sections, you know, little by little applying the big chunky ones. Alright, now I'm just going to curl my lashes and apply some mascara just to prep them before I put on my false lashes. Alright, and these lashes are in the style Life of Party. It's from Minx Lashes by Elle, I think that's how you say it. But yeah, I love these lashes. They're just so beautiful. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, oh my god, they're so freaking nice. I've been wearing them like without eyeshadow and woo! Alright, so now I'm just gonna be taking my black liner from Ultimate Face and lining my waterline on the top only. And now I'm just gonna be taking the shade Skip once again and applying it on my lower lash just to smoke out my bottom lash line. And we're just basically gonna be repeating the same process I did on top of the eyes to my lower lash line just to have it equal and look really nice and beautiful. Now I'm just going to be going in with ring light once again and taking this on my inner corner. Going back in with my mascara and just applying it on my lower lashes. Alright, now I'm just going to be taking this L'Oreal Infallible Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Teddy. I really didn't like this shade at first. You know, I thought it was going to go with the look, but I felt like it was too nude and I needed something a little bit more pinkier. So then now I'm just taking my ABH liquid lipstick in the shade Crush, I believe, and just, you know, putting it on top, and that's what I liked the most on me for this look. Alright you guys, so this is the final look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and this is a close-up right here. I am starting to show you guys close-ups to see how it really looks, you know, really close. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, also the look. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing and supporting me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.